In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front fender liner on your Kia Optima. Located behind the front wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. After we remove the wheel, we're going to locate the front of the bumper right here. We're going to remove these 3 clips. Using a Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and take these out. Sometimes they'll spin on you, so if you hold them, you're able to take them out. We're going to repeat the same process on these 3. Moving to the inner side of the fender well, we're going to have 4 clips on this side. Go ahead and take those out. We're going to repeat the same process. Like I mentioned previously, sometimes these will spin, so if you hold them on the side, they'll come out. And now we're gonna take this too. Repeat the same process. Next up, we're gonna take the screw out. Using the same tool, go ahead and take it off. We're gonna do the same on this one and this one. Remove this one. Next up, we have these 4 screws. Go ahead and take them out. Now that we have the screws out, we're gonna go ahead and use a small pry tool and pop these off. They're just little clips where the screw goes into. And there's gonna be one more right here. Now that you have the screws and the clips out of the way, you can simply grab onto the front fender liner and pull it out. Now we can put the new one, and we're gonna feed it the same way the old one came out. One thing I like to do, I'm gonna go ahead and put this clip right over here, and that's just gonna be to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. So go ahead and line that up with that hole. And install the clip. Like I said, that is just there to hold it in place so it doesn't fall off. We're gonna start by lining up these holes. Go ahead and feed it through, like I mentioned before. You're gonna slide it in the same way the old one came out. Once you have it lined up, we're gonna start by putting the clips that go over here, here, and here. Slide it in. Now we can install the 4 screws. Start them by hand. And now get them snug. Now we can go ahead and install these 2 clips. Start by lining them up and then slide the clip in. We're gonna do the same on this one. Now we're gonna do the same with these 2 holes. Line it up and install the clips. Now go ahead and install this screw. Now we can go ahead and install the 4 clips that go on this side. Starting with the top, line up the hole and install the clip. And now we can go ahead and install the other 3 that go on the bottom. Moving on to the vehicle, we're gonna go ahead and line up these 3 holes. We're gonna start by lining up the front one. You're gonna see it's gonna have these tabs. You're gonna line it up and slide them in, just like that. Line up the first hole and install the clip. We're gonna do the same on the other 2. Install the wheel. Start the lug nuts by hand. and get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, we're going to go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And that's job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.